souls colliding. We shared the pieces of ourselves. It's perfect timing now. We fueled the flames, but we're still learning to trust.
What is up, everybody? Happy New Year. Happy 2023. We wanted to go for a little adventure, even though it's raining, so it's going to be a rainy day vlog. We are currently in the Columbia River Gorge in Oregon. I guess this is considered Corbett, Oregon. Across the way, I know you can't see it very well with the GoPro, is the Vista House. We're going to go over there here in a minute, get a closer look, and then we're going to drive the old highway through the waterfall area and make a couple stops along the way. So hope you enjoyed today's video. It's gonna be a soggy one.
It's never enough, never enough. Burning me up, burning me up. Don't fight the fire. Too much, too fast to burn us out. We walk the wire, love. Don't make me read your mind. I know it. Learning to trust, learning to trust. It's never enough, never enough. Burning me up, burning me up. I won't fall when I'm picking you up. Of my hand, I will be strong enough. Our love is stronger. And I'll be here.
There's the Vista House. It is really windy. I feel like I'm gonna blow away. I'll be like Mary Poppins. Oh my gosh.
Now we're taking the jump. My pride, cause I know you're the one. Our love is stronger. Baby, I know that it's stronger than yesterday. Two sparks ignited. We left some space for us to breathe. My head is quiet.
This stop is Lateral Falls. I'm not hiking down to it to get a better view because it's very wet and slippery and very muddy. So this is the view you're going to get today. We will come back in the spring when things are a lot drier. This stop is Shepherd's Dell. This is Waukena Falls. Our next stop will be Multnomah Falls, which is the big one here in the Pacific Northwest, or at least in Oregon. We so far have skipped just Bridal Veil because you have to hike into that. And then after Multnomah Falls, I think there's maybe one or two more. I don't know how many of those you can see from the road without hiking in, but we'll see what we can see today, and then we'll come back, like I said earlier, on a day that's nice and dry and do some hiking. I would love to go in and explore the waterfalls on a hike again. It's been a long time since we've done that. So we're gonna make that a New Year's goal. I don't make resolutions. We're gonna make it a goal.
Rest in peace, 'cause you are more than enough, more than enough. Feeling the rush, burning in love, burning in love. Two souls.
One of my favorite hikes in the Columbia River Gorge area was Oneonta Falls. It was a hike that you had to hike through water to get to it. You can't see it from the road. Well, a few years back, we had horrible wildfires here in the gorge, and it wiped out a lot of the trail and the tunnel. And so right now we're making a quick stop to see what we could see. Obviously we can't hike it because it's closed off. It is so wonderful seeing that this was rebuilt. I'm gonna link down below in the description the vlog where we actually hiked through the water to the waterfalls. We had to climb over this log jam. It was pretty epic. This stop is Horsetail Falls, and oh my gosh, it is very full because of all the weather we've been having lately. There's so much water coming down, it's gorgeous. That's gonna do it for today's adventure. That's all the waterfalls that we could hit from just the road without having to hike in, and I just don't feel like hiking in the rain, in the mud. We'll do that eventually. I've said that now 3 times, so sticking to it. I hope you enjoyed our wet waterfall weekend adventure. Thanks for coming along with us. I'll see you again real soon. Have a wonderful day.